2017 Chevy Camaro V6. That's what it sounds like before. It is quiet. Again. Here's sound decibels. 91. You see I'm hugging that X pipe? We're gonna put that X pipe on. And the Flow FX axle back right there. We're gonna put this Flow FX axle back he got from Holly on this beautiful beast. All right guys, 2017 Camaro V6. So we showed you what it sounded like before, and this is what we've done to it. Factory converter, factory secondary converters there. We took the resonator out, added an X pipe. There's the resonator right there. So we took that out, put an X pipe in its place to clean up the sound. And then he brought his old Flow FX system right there, axle back there and there with the black tips roll right there. We installed 4 of him and took out this massive muffler that comes on these. Look at that. That sucker is massive. We took it off, took off the tips. There's the resonator. There's the valves I was talking about. That's what they look like on the inside if you guys can't see. See how they open? Open. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you're ever in the area, come on down and say hello. That's the quality, man. You gotta have the right quality. That's perfect. You needed that X pipe. Yeah, it's a lot cleaner. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Not bad at all. That sounds really nice. It's clean. X pipe and Flow FX. Yeah, it sounds nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Flow FX, X pipe, 17 Camaro V6. Sounds phenomenal. I like it. It sounds like a V8. Sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. Be smooth.